The month of March is an important month for women because it celebrates women in leadership and women in the workplace. For me, great leadership is like a well-oiled machine. It keeps everything running smoothly, it drives innovation, and it sets the tone for a thriving workplace. And in manufacturing in particular, where it's an industry that's traditionally been a bit of a male-dominated environment, strong and diverse leadership isn't just a bonus, it's essential in staying ahead of the game. That's why it's so exciting to see more women stepping up, not just into leadership roles, but into hands-on, technical and operational positions that have long been considered men's roles. From running the floor to running the boardroom, women have proven that skill and expertise don't come with a gender label. And let's be real, this shift isn't just about ticking the diversity box. Study after study shows that mixed teams are more creative, productive and resilient. By championing women in leadership and in roles that were once off limits, we're tapping into fresh perspectives, smarter problem solving and a stronger, more adaptable industry. At STG Global, we're proud to see incredible women leading across our sites. Whether they're driving innovation, engineering, managing teams, they're not just breaking barriers, they're setting new benchmarks and inspiring the next generation. So here's to shaking things up, welcoming more women into every corner of manufacturing, and proving that the best person for the job is simply the best person for the job. The future is diverse and we're very excited to help build it.